Sleeping 7 in 3 ambassador bedrooms, the 3 zones of the Vermont 7PE offers great flexibility and ample space for the entire family. The front has been extended with this canopy over the backward sloping door, adding rain-safe entry and allowing the front door to remain open in light showers. We have expanded on the use of our innovative quick and quiet doors to now also include the middle zone dividing door for super easy access. Thank you so much for watching. For the best comfort in sleeping bags, mats, air beds and flocs, go to outwell.com.